Hello everybody. So today we're going to talk about how to segment your email list in Klaviyo. So first thing, we got to go to audience, then click on lists and segments. Now from here, if you want to segment your current email list, just click on the email list and there you can segment it from here. Or if you want to create a new segment, just click on create new, then click create segment. Now from here, just add the name of the one in your email list, then create a tag, or you can choose which tag you have currently, then select a condition. So which one you choose from here. Then once you're done with that, just click on create segment and you're done. Thanks for watching.